Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn how to represent negative number in binary number system. Okay, before going to learn how to represent this number, we have to learn how to represent any binary digits either in 4-bit representation, 6-bit representation, 8-bit representation, etc. What does it mean? Suppose there is a decimal number, suppose 6. Okay, so we know that it is decimal number. All of we know because its base is given as 10. Okay, now if we want to convert it into binary number, decimal number 2, we are going to convert it into binary number base 2. So you know what should we do? We have to divide it with 2 like this way. Then what it becomes? 6 base 10 becomes 1102. Okay, so 6 base 10 equals to 1102. That means it's the binary form of 6. Okay, so here it comes, you can see that 3 bits number. So it is 3 bits representation, mind it. Why 3-bit representation? Because by default, whenever we convert 6 into binary digits, we get 3 bits. Clear? But if we want this representation in 4-bit, that means if we want 1102 in different representation, let us see. Suppose at first we want to convert it into 4 bits representation. If we want 4-bit representation for 116, just we have to add the extra. So we need 1 bit extra. All of you know that whenever we want to add 1 extra bit, we have to add it in the left hand side of any number, because the left hand side 0 has no place value. So 4-bit representation of this number would be 0, 1, 1, this same number, but we have to add 1 extra 0 in the left hand side of this number, left hand position, because we have to represent it 4-bit representation. Again, if we want 6 bits representation, so how many? There are 3 bits, so we have to add 3 bits extra. Then this is 6 bits representation. If we want to add 8 bits representation, so we have to add, there is 3 bits by default, so we have to add 5 bits extra. Okay, that means 50 we have to add. After that we have to write these bits. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8-bit representation. So the number of bit representation, we have to record that number of bits in our number system. So as much as the bits we want, we can add as much as 0 in the left hand side. So for any number, the rightmost bit is known as the least significant bit. Because its place value is least significant bit. Okay, it's also known as LSB. For any binary number, the rightmost bit is known as least significant bit, that is LSB, and the leftmost bit is known as the most significant bit. That is MSB for every binary number. So this is MSB, this is LSB. Clear? Now our negative number representation. So we know that 6, 10 equals to 1102. So the what is its value? It is plus 6, we know. So plus 6 is plus 10. Then if we want minus 6 binary representation of binary 6. We can't write here directly any negative sign. Okay, there are 3 rules in order to get any number in its negative number form in binary number system. There are 3 rules. We are going to learn one by one. The first rule is sign bit representation. First is sign and sign bit representation or magnitude bit representation. Magnitude bit representation. This is first. So what its rule? Its rule is, there are 2 rules. One, if MSB, that means most significant bit, left hand side bit, is 0, okay, then the binary number is positive. Clear? If the MSB of any binary number is 0, then the binary number is positive. And number B, second rule, if MSB is 1, then the binary number is negative. This is for sign magnitude representation or sign bit representation, anything we can say. Sign bits. What sign bits? Because the sign number is represented by either 0 or 1. 0 for positive binary number, 1 for negative binary number, and the which binary 0 and 1 we have to notice the MSB part. Okay, so let us see. Minus 6, 10. What it is? Binary value in sign magnitude representation. Okay, so at first we have to convert plus 6, 10 equals to, we know that 110. Clear? We all know, we have already done this. Is plus 6 is 110, that means it is plus 6 110. So at first, for any negative number representation, we have to find out what it is positive value. Okay, then for negative number and for positive value, the what we know, MSB, this is MSB, but if we change this 0, then the number will change. So in order to represent any binary value positive, for sign magnitude we have to add 10 extra. This is MSB for sign magnitude. Magnitude of positive number. We can't change this one, because if we change this one to 0, then the place value of 6 will be changed, binary number. So we can't change. So that's why we add 1 extra 0 in the left hand side of this number to represent that it is plus 6. So for minus 6, 1, most significant bit, 110. That means this is for 6 and we have to add 1 extra there. This is for MSB for sign magnitude of negative number. Okay, So here you can see that it does not change any number representation. Okay, only we make positive plus value, then we add 0 for positive number, 1 for negative number. Okay, but if it is said that represent, but if it said that one thing, represent -6, 10 in sign magnitude form of 8 bits representation. Okay, so if it is mentioned that either you have to represent 8-bit representation or 6-bit representation, what should we do? So here nothing is said, so we just convert 6 into binary number and add 1 0 extra in MSB to represent sign magnitude and 1 extra in the MSB for sign negative magnitude. Okay, but if it said 8-bit representation, then at first plus sign +6, so +6 is to be represented in 8-bit form, because all time whenever we are going to represent any minus value, at first we have to convert it into plus value, then from that value we have to convert it into negative value. So all time at first we have to represent +6 in 8-bit form. So +6 in 8-bit form, we know how to convert in 8-bit representation this way, because original number is this. For 8-bit, to make it 8-bit, we have to add 5 extra 0 in the left hand side. So here +6, 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 0 2. This is positive +6. So for negative +6, here you can see that this 0 is extra 0. If we change this 0, this is MSB. Here the MSB will be the original bits. Okay, we can't change this MSB, but this MSB is an 0 itself by default. Okay, so we don't need to add any extra 0 to represent any positive number, because we already add 0 here extra. So again, to represent any +6, we don't have to add 0 extra here. Here we have to add extra 0, because we do this work with the original 3 bits. Okay, but if we change it into either 6-bit or 8-bit, if we find out that if there is 1 0-bit extra already exists, then we need to add any extra 0. So already this +6 is 8-bit representation. Now for negative number, this MSB bit should be changed into 1. Others value are same as it is. That means 40 and 110. This is -6 value. Clear? Okay, let us see another example. So here let us see another example. Represent -17 in 8-bit sign magnitude form. Okay, so here we have to change -17 10. So at first we have to find out +17 in 8-bit representation. Okay, mind it, 8-bit. So 17, binary form of 17 is 10001. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 bit, but we have to represent 8 bit, so 3 extra bit has to be added. 1 2. Clear? So plus 17 is this for 8-bit representation. This is MSB. You don't need to write here, only to understand for you, for your understanding I am writing here. So minus 17 becomes, MSB should be changed 1, others remains as it is. Clear? So this is our how sign bit representation. So why it is said sign bit? Because only 1 bit is changed for sign bit representation. Now second method, ones complement method. Ones complement method, that means 1 complement representation. Okay, so what is 1 complement representation? Rules of 1 complement representation is, there are 2 rules. 2 rules means 0 bit changes into 1, 1 bit changes into 0. Just this is 1 complement method. Okay, so our example, so suppose minus 70 is also represent into 1's complement form, then it will be clear to you. So our question will be, represent minus 1710 in 8 bits 1's complement method. Okay, it is very easy. So 8-bit means rules are same. That means at first we have to find out plus 117 in 8-bit. So plus 117 is 8-bit, we already know that. This is plus 117. Okay, now for minus 17 in 1's complement, what is its rule? 0 bit changes into 1, 1 bit changes into 0. Thus this is. So here it is 0 changes into 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Just. So what you should do? At first you changes, you find out the plus 17 value, plus value of the number which you have to convert, then changes into where the 0 changes into 1, 1 changes into 0. Okay. Again, let us see another example. Suppose represent minus 21 10 in 6 bits 1's complement. Form. Okay, minus 21. So at first we have to find plus 21. Plus 21. So 21. This. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. So we have to add 3 extra 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so plus 21 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we have to, we have to convert it into 6 bits. So already 5 bits are there. These 2 bits we don't need. Sorry, we are going to represent it 6 bits, so we have to add only one extra 0 here, because already 5 bits are there and we have to add one extra 0 here, so it becomes 6 bits, 336. So minus 21 means 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Just this is very easy. This is one complement representation. Okay. Now our last one, which is very important, that is 2's complement method. Two's complement method. Okay, so the rules is, its rule is very easy. First changes into 1's complement and then add with 1. That means 1's complement plus 1 changes into 2's complement. Okay, so let us see. Represent minus 1710 in 8 bits 2's complement. 4. Okay, so we know that plus 17, we have already done it here. 10 equals to 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is plus 17. So minus 17 is 1's complement, means this 1 complement plus 1. So its minus 17 is 1's complement of this. Plus 1. You don't need to write 1's complement, just for your understanding I am writing here. Okay, so minus 17 means 1's complement of this. So at first this has to be converted into 1's complement, then we have to add 1. So 1's complement of this means 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, plus 1. As the rightmost bit is 0 and this also rightmost bit, so this 1 means, what does it mean? This is 8-bit number. So if 1 is converted into 8-bit number, we have to add 70 there. What is 1? So all the 0 in the left hand side is 0. Okay, so 1 must be added with the rightmost bit. Mind it, you don't need to add 0 here, but to show you I am adding here. So 1 must be added not with this one, with the right hand side 0, 1 has to add it. Okay, so its value either like this way you can add, or you can add like this way. So this is better for you, then your sums will never be wrong. Write here 1 and add like this way. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so this is 2's complement negative representation, 2's complement form. Okay, now one thing notice always there, we know that in sign magnitude MSB 1, but in 1's complement also, whenever you convert it into a number into 1's complement, automatically MSB will be 1, changes into 1 by default. You don't need to see here whether the leftmost bit is 1 or 0, but by default it will becomes 1. In 2's complement also you can find out that the leftmost bit is 1. Okay, now let us do one sums by using 3 representation form in one sums. Okay. Now here, see, convert minus 3510 in all negative number representation form in 8-bit representation. So at first we have to find out plus 35. Remember, always we have to find out plus 35 in 8-bit form. So the binary of 35, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits is there, so we have to add 2 extra bit. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 1. So this is plus 35. Clear? Now for sign magnitude, I am going to convert one by one. Sign magnitude form. So for sign magnitude, minus 35. What is the rules of sign magnitude? The MSB must be changes into 1. Others we have to left as it is. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Only MSB is changed. Okay. Others value are same. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is sign magnitude representation for 1's complement. Again, you have to take this one in consideration. Don't take this form. This is already negative number. We have to change this positive number into negative number. So you don't change this one into 1's complement. Okay? Because this is already minus 35. This is already changed value or any negative number represent value. So we have to convert plus 35 into 1's complement form. So minus 35, 10 means consider this value and change what is 1's complement rule. 0 into 1, 1 into 0. That means 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. Clear? I am again repeating here. Don't change this sign magnitude form into 1's complement because this is already minus 35. You change this plus 35 value into minus 35. You have to consider this one. Okay. Now 2's complement. Two's complement form. So 2's complement form means 1's complement plus 1. Okay. So 1's complement of what? Not this. Again, this is minus 35. So this is already negative value. So 1 complement of whose? 1 complement of plus 35. Okay. So 1's complement of 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1. Clear? So 1's complement of this is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 plus 1. So 1 must be added with the rightmost side bit. So it becomes 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is all the 3 from. This is 2's complement representation, 1's complement representation and sign magnitude representation. Okay.